Okay. On your countdown.
3, 2, 1. One more time.
Okay, you tricked
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, baby boy.
Say hi, YouTube family.
Say hey, YouTube.
They're excited
Handsome.
to meet you, Daddy.
Hey, Dada. Say hey, YouTube. You got Mr. Spider-Man on. Y'all, so he's so tiny that even his newborn clothes. Look, he waving. He waving. Say hey, Dada.
Say hey,
Daddy.
Papa.
Dada. Say hey. Baba. Say hey.
Say hi, King. Wave, Daddy. Wave.
Say my name is
he
King.
waved.
Say my name is King.
He is the cutest, most peaceful, calm, loving baby I've ever seen in my life. Like, he's so calm, he's so lovable.
Baba.
He looks just like Baba.
Look, Mom always calling.
Always.
But we're gonna have to hold on 1 second, Mom. It's King's time to shine.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Dada. Hey. Hi, baby boy.
Hold on, where's his brush?
Oh,
Getting away
God.
from me and
Mom's
his
getting the brush.
I have to show off his hair.
Okay. Hey, baby. I love you. Hey, is Dad. Give me your hand. Hey. Where's his binky? Hey. Look, he loves me. Look how he grabs my hand. He loves me so much. He knows my voice. He's so cute, y'all. Oh, y'all want to see his hair? My son got a lot of hair. Hey, handsome. He got, man, y'all call me who y'all think he look like. Hey, Dad. Hey. Look at his lashes. He's so cute.
His hair. You need to brush it.
Oh, Mom is starting.
You need to brush his little hair.
Mom is starting.
You guys, I love my son so much.
I love him to
He's
pieces.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
He's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Let you know, okay? If you need anything, call me. If your pain gets really bad, call me if you want pain medicine. Okay?
Y'all, so this is King, me, my son. This is face reveal. He's such a cute boy. Look at him. He got his mittens on, but he don't want to wear them right now. He just likes to sleep and eat. So yeah, this is King, y'all. King Dior. He got llama shoes. Baby. Look at King. King Dior. He's so handsome. My twin.
He's the most beautiful, perfect baby.
In the world. Look at him. Hey, King. Say hey, YouTube. We about to go to the grocery store. Say we about to go to the grocery store. We about to go to the grocery store. Y'all, that's why when we get 40 pics, we couldn't get it because he covered his face like that. Right, babe? Oh, Dada. This right here is my boy King. Hey, Dada. You took your mittens off. Dada. Okay, well, let's take this one off. You don't like them. I'll take it off. And his hat. So, y'all, this is my son. Hey, boy. Hey. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You got your llama shoes. What's up? Hey. Give me kisses. Yeah. Isn't he the cutest, babe? Oh, he loved me so much. My twin. Cutie boy, you so cute. Hey. Hey. Y'all, so this is King. King Dior. Najm. Cutie boy. Y'all, so he just ate. Now Bubba's just holding him. What, Mom?
Baba's twin.
Yeah, he my twin.
Baba's twin.
He my twin.
He loves his Baba.
Yeah, he loved me.
Yeah. Y'all look so cute snuggling this morning.
Oh yeah, we were snuggling. You okay, Dada? What's going on? What's going on? But yeah, right now we chilling. Say hey. Hey YouTube. Say my name is King. So yeah, I just want to appreciate everybody that's been keeping up. I love being a mom. How do you feel, baby?
I love being a mom.
Yeah.
I love being a mom with you.
Dada. I think he's taking a poo-poo, Dada. Dada.
He is.
I think he's taking a poo-poo, Dada. I think he's taking a poo-poo, Dada.
You have his hand? Look.
We should leave him alone when he poops. This is a face reveal, y'all. That's my son. Look at his lashes. Look at his lashes, though.
You're cute, baby boy.
What's his llama shoes?
I love you.
There we go. Wow. We didn't want to leave with the baby out, but we have no groceries at home, so we figured to come to the grocery store. Mom, how do you feel?
I love you.
You love me?
The weather feels so good today.
It's so beautiful. I don't know, but like it's raining and it feels so beautiful. It's just such a perfect day, man. Perfect family. I'm super, super blessed.
Should we show him his fit?
Yeah, let's show
His
him.
fit?
Let's show my son. Hey, Daddy. Let's see what you look like, boy.
Baby.
Hey. Hey, Mr. Cutie.
His mittens.
Yeah, like his little outfit I got him. His little llama shoes. You know what I'm saying? He's such a cutie. But right now, Bubba's gonna go get, tell him what I'm gonna go get real quick.
Some groceries for the house.
Y'all gonna come inside though, but I gotta go get the cart.
Oh, yeah, the cart.
Yep. Hey, handsome boy. Look, y'all, that's my twin, man. All right, y'all, so let's go. So Mom is getting on that because y'all know she did use C-section, so she should not be walking too much. Baby's right here. Little cutie pie. Yep. So he looks good. Mom, you good? Go in front of us. Where? Our first grocery store trip. Let's go. Yeah, this is such a blessing. Like, we've prayed for days like this, huh, babe?
Yeah.
All right? It's like a dream, you know? Music's playing, I gotta go. Yeah, so we just left the stove. What? Look at it. Puppy was crying for a little bit, so we had to take him out. Yeah, he was crying in the store. He got a little hungry, so Mommy had to breastfeed him and take him out. Let me see him. Hey, baby boy. You okay? Good morning. Hey, let me kiss. I love kissing his lips. Right? Hey, get him in because it's windy outside. I'm gonna get sick. Yeah, so we just went in the store. I'll show you everything we got at the house, but right now, Puppy needs a feed and break. Hey, Dada. I'm a super mom. I got the groceries in. I got his milk.
I know,
ready.
you did that.
I put his
You
car
did
seat.
that.
I'm a super mom.
He's sleeping.
He did that. He was crying in the store. He had a fit with Baba. He said, Dada, I'm hungry.
He's knocked out.
Yeah. Hey, handsome. Baby boy. Say, hey. Eat your food, Dada. Mm-hmm.
He's like, what's this? Oh,
Huh?
okay. Am I gonna lift you up?
There you go.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here you go. There you go.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, so we just got to the house. Let me open the door. Oh, yeah, so we just got home. Papi's sleeping. Me and Mom are about to eat Chick-fil-A, watch a movie. How do you feel, Mom?
I feel pain.
Feel pain?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's so strong. puppy. Don't worry, our house is a little bit messy, but our housekeeper is actually on the way.
We're going to watch some TV and relax with baby.
Yep. Leave it with my hand. Look, y'all, I'm gonna try to let go.
No, baby, don't.
Oh, he keeps pulling it back.
Yeah, leave it.
Look, I'm gonna grab it. Move it. Let me just get a video. Look, Daddy, I'm pulling my hand out. Oh, Dad.
Leave him alone.
He feels safe with me, that's why. I love you. I love you, baby boy.
He loves Baba.
Daddy, look, Dada. Look, Daddy gonna move my
Leave him
hand.
alone.
Look, he's squeezing it. He's squeezing it. Okay, Dada. Oh, Dad. Look at him, y'all. He's such a cute boy. No, Dad. He just ate, Mom. Hey. Okay. Huh? You want milk? Okay.